Hi guys, let's create this viral edit with AI. I am using ChatGPT and Gemini to create this. Step 1. Choose your pic which you want to edit. Step 2. Go to ChatGPT and upload your image with this prompt. You have the required image. If you're a boy and you need a girl's doodle here, replace the word boy in the prompt with girl. Now we will generate all the poses by simply commanding ChatGPT. Step 3. Go to Gemini, upload the pic we generated using ChatGPT with this prompt, and we got this as result. Again, try with another pose and different prompt, we got this as result. Now we are gonna trim it and join all the videos together for the final result. And this is what our final result looks like. Subscribe for more such edits and let me know in the comment what should we create next. Bye.